Ymadroddion Cymraeg yr wythnos, Welsh phrase of the week. This week we'll be learning how to turn a verb into a command, a gorchmynion in Welsh. The first thing you need is your verb, your berf. Remember, a verb is a doing word. To turn that verb into a command, you add wch at the end of the verb. Here's an example. Eistedd, to sit. Eisteddwch, sit, as a command. Eisteddwch. Cymryd, to take. Cymerwch tabledi. Take the tablets. Cymerwch tabledi. Pwyntio, to point. Pwyntiwch at a poen. Point to the pane. Pwyntiwch at a poen. Aros, to wait. Arhoswch yma. Wait here. Arhoswch yma. Paid, don't. Peidiwch phoeni. Don't worry. Peidiwch phoeni. Sefyll, to stand. Sefwch, stand, as a command. Sefwch. At the end of each command, you may say, os gwelwch yn dda, which means please. Os gwelwch yn dda. We can also use the informal plîs, which also stands for please. Os gwelwch yn dda, please. Thank you so much for listening to our phrase of the week this week. If you'd like to learn more about Welsh language opportunities at Betsy Cadwaladr, why don't you give our Facebook page a follow? The address is below. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Hwyl fawr.